Good morning, everyone. I'm excited to welcome you to today's presentation. We'll be exploring how to increase productivity with co-pilots, focusing on AI for workflow automation. On this first slide, you can see the title, Increasing Productivity with Co-pilots, along with the subtitle AI for Workflow Automation. We'll be discussing how AI-driven tools can help streamline your processes, boost efficiency, and empower your team. Throughout this session, I'll share insights, real-world examples, and practical tips to help you leverage these technologies effectively. So, let's get started and discover how co-pilots can transform your work environment. Welcome to the overview of iBARE co-pilots. On this slide, we'll explore three key areas: benefits and applications, implementation strategies, and how these elements come together to support our overall goals. First, we'll look at the benefits, how iBARE co-pilots can enhance efficiency, improve decision-making, and drive innovation within our organization. Then, we'll examine the various applications, specific areas where these co-pilots can be integrated to deliver maximum value. Finally, we'll discuss our implementation strategy, outlining the steps to successfully deploy and leverage these tools effectively. This overview sets the stage for understanding how iBARE co-pilots can transform our operations and create a competitive edge. Welcome to Slide 3, where we'll take a closer look at the iBARE co-pilots overview. First, I want to emphasize that these co-pilots are designed to act as intelligent assistants, helping us streamline our workflows and make smarter decisions. They're not just tools, but collaborative partners that enhance our capabilities. As we go through this, you'll see how these co-pilots integrate seamlessly into our processes, providing real-time insights and support. This aligns perfectly with our overall theme of leveraging innovative technology to boost efficiency and productivity. Understanding their core functions will give us a clearer picture of how they can be effectively utilized across various tasks. So, let's dive into the key points that make these co-pilots a game changer for us. On this slide, we're looking at how AI assistants are supporting human work in a variety of important ways. First, let's talk about AI workflow assistants. These tools are designed to handle repetitive tasks across different platforms, which helps save time and reduces the chance of errors. They also provide contextual efficiency suggestions, meaning they can recommend ways to work smarter based on what you're doing at the moment. Next, we see the idea of collaborative operation. AI assistants don't work in isolation. They work alongside teams, integrating seamlessly into project management, content creation, and sales workflows. This collaboration ensures that AI supports, rather than replaces, human input, making workflows more efficient and cohesive. Then there's adaptive learning. Over time, these AI assistants learn your preferences and habits. This ongoing learning allows them to improve how they execute tasks and optimize workflows, making your work smoother and more personalized. Finally, it's important to emphasize human oversight. While AI can handle many tasks, it's not about full delegation. Human oversight remains crucial for quality control and ensuring the results meet expectations. The key is collaboration. AI supports us, but humans still steer the process. All these points tie into our overall theme. AI assistants are powerful tools that augment human work, making us more efficient, adaptable, and effective, but always best used in partnership with human judgment and oversight. On this slide, I want to highlight how our platform handles repetitive tasks across different systems. One of the key strengths is its cross-platform integration capabilities. This means it can seamlessly connect with multiple software tools, allowing you to automate workflows that span across various systems without the need for manual intervention. Automation of routine operations is a major time saver and also helps reduce human errors. Instead of spending time on repetitive tasks, your team can focus on more strategic activities. Platform compatibility is also crucial. Our solution works with major business applications, ensuring smooth data transfers and consistent execution of tasks. Finally, the customizable workflows feature allows the system to adapt to specific platform requirements while maintaining unified task management across all systems. This flexibility ensures that your automation processes are tailored to your unique needs, making integrations seamless and efficient. All of these elements work together to streamline operations and support your overall digital transformation efforts. Let's explore how these features can really enhance your workflow. First, offering contextual efficiency suggestions means that the system analyzes your work patterns and provides smart recommendations for process improvements and shortcuts. It's like having a personal productivity coach who understands your specific tasks. Next, we have real-time assistance, which offers immediate help during your tasks based on what you're currently doing and your previous interactions. This way, you get timely support without missing a beat. Adaptive learning is another key aspect. It means that over time, the system gets better at suggesting solutions by learning from your preferences and feedback. So, the more you use it, the more tailored and effective it becomes. And finally, cross-platform integration ensures that these recommendations are consistent across all the tools and applications you use in your workflow. Whether you're switching devices or apps, the guidance remains seamless and coherent. All of these elements come together to create a smarter, more efficient working environment, helping you save time, reduce effort, and stay focused on what truly matters. Now, let's look at how we can seamlessly integrate co-pilots into existing workflows. The goal here is to connect these AI assistants directly to the tools you already use daily, so tasks can be executed automatically without disrupting your established processes. This means less manual work and more efficiency. Task automation is a big part of this. You can configure your AI assistants to handle repetitive tasks like scheduling meetings, drafting emails, or managing data, freeing up your time for higher value work. Another exciting aspect is their learning capabilities. Over time, co-pilots adapt to your preferences and work patterns, becoming more intuitive and personalized, which boosts productivity even further. And of course, teamwork is enhanced when these AI assistants are shared across teams. This helps standardize processes and ensures everyone maintains consistent output, making collaboration smoother and more aligned with your overall goals. Ultimately, integrating co-pilots into your workflows helps streamline operations, making your daily tasks more efficient and your team more cohesive. Let's talk about how to operate collaboratively with teams. One of the key capabilities is team integration. This means our tools can seamlessly connect with existing team collaboration platforms, making shared workflows and project management much smoother. When everyone's on the same page, things move faster and more efficiently. Next, we have real-time collaboration. Imagine multiple team members working simultaneously on a shared document, with AI assistants to help streamline their efforts. This kind of setup promotes instant feedback and quick adjustments, which is crucial for staying agile. Then there's knowledge sharing. Our solution centralizes all information, so insights and data are instantly accessible to everyone involved. This breaks down silos and ensures that all team members are working with the latest information. Finally, workflow coordination is about synchronizing tasks across different departments and team members. This helps maintain momentum on projects, preventing bottlenecks and ensuring that everyone's efforts are aligned toward common goals. Altogether, these capabilities reinforce the importance of collaboration in today's fast-paced work environment, helping teams work smarter, faster, and more cohesively. Let's take a closer look at the benefits and applications of this technology. First, one of the key advantages is how it enhances efficiency. It allows us to automate processes that previously took a lot of time and effort, saving both resources and energy. This not only boosts productivity, but also reduces human error, increasing overall accuracy. Another important benefit is its versatility. This technology can be applied across various industries, be it healthcare, finance, manufacturing, or even education. Its adaptability makes it a powerful tool for solving different kinds of problems in diverse settings. Connecting this to our overall theme, the real value lies in how these benefits translate into tangible improvements, whether it's better decision-making, faster response times, or innovative new solutions. When we leverage these applications effectively, we're not just adopting new tools, we're transforming the way we work and create. Let's talk about how you can save time through automation. First, by automating repetitive tasks, you free up your valuable time from routine work. This allows AI to handle these tasks efficiently, so you can focus on what truly matters, your strategic priorities. Next, streamlining workflows is crucial. By connecting different tools and platforms, you create a seamless process that makes your daily activities more efficient and less fragmented. This integration helps everything run smoothly. Additionally, automation enables you to scale effortlessly. You can accomplish more work without having to increase your hours or add more team members, making growth sustainable. Finally, reducing human error is a big advantage. AI can execute complex processes consistently, minimizing mistakes that often happen with manual work. Overall, automation is a powerful way to boost productivity, improve accuracy, and support your broader goals. Let's talk about how we can increase output without extra effort. By automating repetitive tasks, AI can handle routine work, freeing you up to focus on the strategic priorities that truly need your human expertise. This allows us to work smarter, leveraging AI to complete multiple tasks at once and maximizing our productivity without putting in longer hours. At the same time, reducing mental load is crucial. Delegating administrative burdens to AI-powered co-pilots helps preserve your mental energy for more creative and complex problem-solving. And finally, as we look to scale our operations, AI assistance enables us to manage increased workloads across departments without needing to expand our team. It's about working smarter, staying efficient, and focusing on what really drives growth. Let's talk about maintaining focus on strategy. It's essential to keep our attention on high-value work that truly moves the needle. By delegating routine tasks to AI, we free up mental space to concentrate on strategic thinking and creative problem-solving, which are the core drivers of growth. Next, reducing mental switching is crucial. Constantly jumping between tasks can drain our mental energy and dilute our focus. Minimizing these context switches allows us to dive deeper into our most important priorities, leading to better outcomes. When we think about strategic time allocation, it's about investing more hours into activities that promote growth. Instead of bogging ourselves down with administrative work, which AI can handle, we can dedicate that time to innovation, planning, and high-impact projects. And finally, decision quality improves when we automate mundane tasks. With less cognitive fatigue, we're better equipped to make smarter choices, ensuring our decisions are more thoughtful and effective. Overall, by focusing on strategy, leveraging AI for routine work, and managing our mental load, we position ourselves to be more impactful and aligned with our long-term goals. Let's talk about how to make scheduling easier with automated tools. First, automated calendar management uses AI to handle the task of scheduling meetings. It analyzes everyone's availability and sends out invites automatically, saving you time and reducing the back and forth. Next, smart reminders are designed to be contextual. They notify you based on the importance of deadlines, the priority of tasks, and your usual work patterns, so you get the right alerts at the right time. Then there's follow-up tracking. Our AI-powered co-pilot keeps an eye on responses and automatically sends follow-ups when participants haven't replied. This helps ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Finally, time zone coordination is a game changer, especially for global teams. It automatically adjusts meeting times so everyone is on the same page, without the hassle of manual calculations. All these features work together to streamline your scheduling process, making collaboration smoother and more efficient across the board. Now, let's look at how AI can help us with drafting emails and documents. It can generate content automatically based on simple prompts, which really saves us time on routine communications. Instead of starting from scratch, we can quickly get a draft that we can then customize as needed. Speaking of customization, our co-pilots are great at adapting existing templates to fit specific needs. They help us maintain a consistent brand voice while reducing the manual formatting work. It's all about making our workflow more efficient and professional. Another key point is ensuring the quality of our writing. AI tools can check grammar, suggest improvements, and even adjust the tone for different audiences. Whether we're communicating with clients or internal teams, the tone can be tailored to suit the context. And finally, collaborative editing becomes much smoother. Co-pilots can track changes, suggest revisions, and support multiple team members working together on the same document. This makes teamwork more seamless and keeps everyone on the same page. All these features tie back to our overall goal of leveraging AI to enhance productivity, consistency, and collaboration across our communications. Now, let's look at how AI can help us summarize content and reports more effectively. Essentially, AI can analyze large documents to identify the main points and critical data, making it much quicker for us to grasp the essential information. Instead of wadding through pages of reports, we get concise overviews that highlight the key insights and conclusions. This transformation turns lengthy reports into digestible summaries, saving us valuable time. By focusing on what's most important, these summaries maintain the core meaning while removing unnecessary details, which helps us process information more efficiently. Overall, this approach not only speeds up our review process, but also ensures we retain the critical context needed to make informed decisions. Let's now turn our attention to the implementation strategy. On this slide, we're focusing on how we plan to put our ideas into action effectively. First, it's important to understand that a solid implementation strategy is key to turning our objectives into tangible results. We need clear steps, timelines, and responsibilities to ensure everyone is aligned and moving forward together. This involves identifying the right resources, setting achievable milestones, and maintaining flexibility to adapt as needed. Remember, even the best plan won't succeed without proper execution, so ongoing monitoring and communication are essential. By carefully planning our implementation, we're not just aiming for short-term success, but also ensuring sustainability and long-term impact. This strategy ties directly into our overall theme of driving change and creating meaningful progress within our organization. Let's explore how to connect Copilot to the tools you already use every day. First, platform integration is about linking Copilot with your existing workflow tools. This ensures that everything works together smoothly, allowing for seamless automation and task management. Next, API configuration is essential. It involves setting up the necessary connections between iBARE copilots and your digital workspace platforms so they can communicate effectively. Then there's data access. It's important to grant the right permissions, enabling copilots to access the information they need to perform tasks efficiently without any hiccups. Finally, sync settings are all about establishing synchronization parameters. These settings ensure that updates happen in real time across all connected platforms and tools, keeping everything current and consistent. Connecting these elements properly aligns with the overall goal of creating a more integrated, efficient, and automated workflow. When I'm defining tasks and setting priorities, it's really about getting clarity on what needs to be done and in what order. First, I focus on task identification. This means I look for repetitive tasks that take up a lot of time but don't require much creative thinking. These are the tasks that, if automated or streamlined, can free up a lot of my time. Next, I move on to priority setting. I rank these tasks based on how important they are, how often they occur, and how much time they typically consume. This helps me target the biggest time savers first and ensures that I'm working efficiently. Providing clear instructions is crucial. I make sure to give specific guidelines and parameters for Copilot to follow when executing these tasks. The more precise I am, the better the results I'll get, and the less I have to oversee. Finally, I establish success metrics. These are measurable outcomes I can use to evaluate how well Copilot is performing. Whether it's reducing time spent on a task or improving accuracy, Defining these metrics helps me see the real impact of the automation and ensures alignment with my overall productivity goals. Let's start by focusing on high-impact tasks. These are the tasks that really make a difference when automated, so it's best to identify those first. Look for repetitive tasks that happen often and follow predictable patterns. By targeting these, we can achieve the maximum productivity gains. Next, it's important to measure the time savings. Keep track of how many hours are saved through automation. This not only helps quantify the impact, but also provides a solid justification for continuing AI investments. It's wise to start small. Begin with just one workflow to get comfortable with the process before expanding. This approach helps avoid overwhelming your team and ensures smoother integration into established processes. And finally, quality control is key. Regularly review the outputs generated by AI to ensure they're accurate. Make adjustments to parameters as needed. This ongoing review helps maintain high standards and continuously improves the system's performance. All these steps, prioritizing impactful tasks, measuring results, starting small, and maintaining quality, are essential to successfully leveraging AI for productivity. They connect directly to the overall goal of working smarter, not harder. Let's talk about training with examples. Providing quality examples is key to helping our AI learn effectively. When we show Copilot successful task completions, it improves its accuracy and performance on similar tasks in the future. It's also important to use diverse scenarios. This means including a variety of contexts and formats during training. Such diversity helps the AI adapt better across different workflow situations. We should also focus on continuous refinement. Regularly updating our examples ensures they stay relevant and effective as our needs evolve. And don't forget the power of giving feedback. Promptly correcting mistakes helps the AI learn from its errors and reduces the chances of repeating them down the line. All these points tie back to our overall goal, making our Copilot smarter, more adaptable, and more reliable through thoughtful, ongoing training and feedback. Now, let's talk about the importance of monitoring outputs for quality. It's essential to review AI outputs regularly to ensure they meet our standards. This means checking the content generated by Copilot not only for accuracy, but also to confirm it aligns with our brand voice and standards. Consistent oversight helps catch any issues early and keeps our messaging on point. Next, we need to establish clear quality metrics. Defining what success looks like for AI outputs is crucial so we can maintain a high and consistent standard across all automated tasks. Think of these metrics as our quality benchmarks. Implementing feedback loops is another key step. By providing corrections, we help the Copilot learn from its mistakes, which in turn improves its future outputs. It's about creating a cycle of continuous improvement. Finally, comparing AI-generated content with human-created examples is vital. This benchmarking helps us measure whether the AI is producing content that's truly on par with what we expect from our human team, ensuring consistent quality standards across the board. All these steps tie back to our overall goal, delivering reliable, high-quality content that supports our brand and engages our audience effectively. Let's now look at how we can effectively measure the productivity gains from implementing AI copilots. First, tracking time saved is crucial. We want to monitor how many hours are reduced on repetitive tasks after deploying AI tools. This gives us a clear picture of efficiency improvements. Next, we should compare the quality of output. It's important to evaluate the accuracy and consistency of work done with AI assistance versus traditional manual processes. This helps us understand if AI is not only saving time, but also maintaining or enhancing quality. Then, analyzing completion rates is key. We need to see if more tasks are being finished within deadlines thanks to Copilot support. This indicates better workflow management and productivity. Finally, calculating cost efficiency allows us to determine resource savings. By comparing workflows that rely solely on humans with those augmented by AI, we can assess how much value the AI co-pilots add in terms of resource optimization. Altogether, these metrics help us quantify the tangible benefits of AI in our operations, aligning with our overall goal of smarter, more efficient workflows. Thanks, I really appreciate your time and attention today. I hope you found the insights valuable and that they will help you in your own work. Remember, the key takeaways are about applying these concepts thoughtfully and adapting them to your specific needs. If you have any questions or want to discuss further, feel free to reach out. Thank you again for being such an engaged audience.